I was just getting ready to ride across that road back there, and I wish I'd have filmed that. A car run the red light. I could have easily been hit, but I was watching, obviously, situational awareness again, people running red lights. He'd have nailed me at about 40 miles an hour, because as he was going through the intersection, he was speeding up. So yeah, there you go. That's why it's very dangerous out here, and you got to have your head on a swivel at all times. Anyway, we're still in the city of Kettering. Going to ride these roads through here. This will be video number 3 that I've done. We've come about 5.7 miles so far. So we're having a good little ride today. There's the church that I was married in. We're talking 1972. Been a while. If I can get over there, I'm gonna get a video of that church so I can show my wife when I get home the video of the church that we got married in, so she'll kind of enjoy that. We're going to jump on this side road, see if we can get over to the church. I do believe we can. I don't remember the name of this church when we got married. Again, we're talking 1972. I'm not even sure it was a Baptist church back then, actually. But yeah, there's the church right there. Be 51 years this coming May. Hard to believe. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of this type of video format that I've been doing with my helmet cam. And hopefully, last time I had to delete 2 or 3 videos. Again, I did not have the horizon video camera high enough to see the horizon, so I deleted a few videos. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of these dual cameras and if you like this type of video, and I really appreciate the comments down there. You guys got some different video today of different things we're doing. Getting ready to come up on a major road up here, so I will be riding on the sidewalks for sure. Actually, I may cut this street over, and we're going to head back over to the park. And I'll eat lunch there, but I really don't want to film when I'm trying to go across major intersections as far as riding on them. So instead of going up to the lake I was talking about in the Kettering where the Phrase Pavilion is, we'll go on back to the lake we came from, and I'll stop the videos there for the day. And I've got some major remodeling going on in a couple of these homes through here. Yeah, a lot of these neighborhoods I noticed do not have sidewalks. I'm glad that mine does where I live, I know that. I'm noticing some tulips and some daffodils are blooming now as I'm riding along in these neighborhoods. I don't know how much wind we're getting here. I'm riding right into the wind, so hoping it's not too bad. Again, we'll be crossing the intersection up here, up where the guy would have hit me if I'd have decided to go ahead and cross that crosswalk. Again, you got to be careful. I'll be getting up on the sidewalk here so I can cross the intersection. Well, I'll tell you, you really got to watch these things. Wait. I love it. It says wait, wait. Kind of like another intersection Caleb and I were crossing. Pretty neat. Again, I'll be watching this time, make sure another person's not decided to run the light. He would have been absolutely been guilty, but I might have been dead. So again, I'm paying really close attention here. Nobody coming this time. I'm looking both ways and everybody is stopping, so we'll cross now. And we're back in the park. Yeah, as you can see by them flags up there, the wind's coming right out of the south-southeast. So heading back, I'll have it in my face a little bit. But yeah, let me know what you guys are thinking about these videos that I'm taking. Now this is cool. I have not seen this before. They got a place where you can lock your bicycles down, I think, right up here. It's kind of different. It's actually a air filling station as well. You need to work on your bike. City of Kettering put things here that you can work on that. That's pretty cool. I like that. You could actually lock your bike down. You could place your tire there if you need to work on it, or see, that's pretty neat stuff here. We're going to ride up again to where these car charging stations are, and I'll show you that. How you doing? Yeah, I'll get off the bike to show you this here. But as you can see here, nobody charging right now, but here you go. Called Charge Point. How cool is that? I do not own an electric vehicle. I never anticipate me getting electric vehicles. I don't trust them. I see too many things going bad with them. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and end the video here. I will show you the Zota Zephyr here a little bit. I've got coffee that's poured all over my bike. Like I said, I'm a big coffee drinker. It is a 20 by 4-inch fat tire bike. It's got a 750 watt rear hub motor that peaks at 1,000. And trust me, this bike will do 33.1 mile an hour with ease. Battery sitting behind the seat post here. And what I really like about this, you cannot get this key out of here once this bike is turned on. It locks the key in, which is really nice. It's got a pedal assist mode 1 through 5 or 1 through 9, as you can see. And you got to go all the way up. You can set that for pedal assist 3 or pedal assist 5 or 5 if you want to. If you just change a few things in the settings. But yeah, we've done 7.4 miles. That's pretty good. Of course, you got your thumb throttle here on the left side. I like that as I'm taping, because I'm usually holding the as you can see, I'm holding the selfie stick. And I got the additional phone holder I put on here. Again, this thing will do 33.1 mile an hour. The cadence is very good on the bike. I did put these bar end mirrors on. That is an addition. I'll try to put that down in the description box. And this has got Tektro hydraulic brakes, which is really good brakes. It's got 180 millimeter disc rotors. And again, it's got a 48 volt, 17.5 amp hour battery down here. That's a strong battery. And I'm still at 100%, and I went 7, almost 8 miles, so that's pretty cool. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and end the video here. I want to thank you guys for watching, share, and like the video, and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next video.